Italian pasta and caprese. In a pot, on medium heat, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, bring to a boil, and add 8 ounces of Dolomiti felicetti, which is about half of the bag. Stir to ensure the felicetti does not stick to itself. Cook for 9 minutes. Using 1 Roma tomato, sliced in 1/4 inch thickness. Remove and discard the ends. 8 ounces sliced mozzarella. 8 leaves basil. Pasta should be firm yet soft. Strain the pasta. 11 ounces Agromonte pasta sauce. Cook for 1 minute. On 2 plates, layer the tomato, mozzarella, and basil. Place the strained pasta with the sauce. Reduce the heat and toss the pasta. Place pasta evenly on the 2 plates. The package ingredients can all be found at International Loft. On the caprese, place 2 teaspoons of Zahara olive oil, and 2 teaspoons of Farini balsamico. And enjoy your Italian pasta and caprese.